Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I decided to stir fry pork more often when our neighbor who raises pig on his farm started to provide me a steady supply of different kinds of pork. Therefore, I have been working on a basic stir-frying pork template, which is based on the basic stir-frying template for chicken. In this video, I demonstrate a version of the template in making orange pork using the Panda Express orange chicken sauce. I am cooking this dish with my Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok, which I use my spot seasoning method to create a non-stick surface. As you will see later, it does not work out quite well with this dish. Nevertheless, we have a solution. I used 12 ounces of pork tenderloin that have been thinly sliced and lightly coated with cornstarch. My intention is to give the pork a light breading as I have done with chicken. I'm going to shallow fry the chicken by spreading them in a thin layer over the bottom surface of the wok. This is the reason that I prefer flat bottom wok with a larger flat surface so that they can be doubled as a small frying pan. I'm going to fry the pork on one side for about 45 to 60 seconds before turning them over to fry the other side. This Cuisinart wok has excellent heat holding capacity as indicated by the browning of the pork. This wok is encapsulated with aluminum only in the bottom surface of the wok for even heating. I found some chopped onion in my prep to add to the wok. This will provide a better flavor. Again, advanced prepping saved the day. By now the pork is probably about 80% cooked and they are nicely browned. Cutting the pork into thin slices accelerate their cooking. And also by stir-frying them rapidly, you will make sure everything are cooked evenly. To me, this is the greatest advantages of stir-frying. There are no other cooking techniques that I know can better stir-frying in speed. Cooking pork has one significant drawback. They shred debris that stuck and burned to the bottom of the wok, no matter how well you season the wok. And the solution is use the spot cleaning method with a small amount of water together with the wok spatula, and it seems to be able to do a very good job. I'm going to add my basic seasoning mix as the starting point to flavor the dish. These seasoning mix are mixed in advance for convenience, which use the seasoning agents in my masala dabur. It looks like that I'm having more trouble with the debris sticking and burning to the bottom of the wok. Now the use of the spot cleaning methods allow me to keep things under control. This is a good way to clean the wok as you go. I found this orange chicken sauce made by Panda Express in the supermarket recently and I decided to give it a try. I have made orange chicken before using my own sauce concoction. I'm eager to compare the two. Lastly, I have some frozen vegetable mix. It definitely will make the pork more interesting and colorful with a small addition. The advantage of template cooking is that I can make addition, modifications, and adjustments to the dish as long as I maintain the primary characteristics of the dish. The end result is that I could create infinite variations. When you cook this dish, please be prepared that the wok is going to be messy. First, the pork debris, and now the sugar in the sauce result in caramelization. In this case, even the spot cleaning is barely able to keep up. Well, I'm doing my best, but I don't want to add too much water to dilute the sauce. So okay, the dish is done. The total cook time is a little bit over 6 minutes. So what is the verdict? Actually, it's not bad at all if you like orange chicken. The flavor is intensely sweet with a nice tinge of sourness, which is pleasant but not overwhelming. The orange flavor is faint but definitely discernible to me. The pork is excellent, tender and not dry at all. Nevertheless, the breading is not apparent, but still the pork has a slight crispiness to them. I have also cooked an orange chicken dish using the Panda Express orange chicken sauce. The results are similar between the two. When I compared this Panda Express orange chicken sauce with my own concoction, I actually like this one better. Now I have tasted this, I have some idea on how to improve mine. I guess I call this flavor chasing, which is an important attribute of my fast cooking system. However, the wok did not do so well, so I put the wok back on the stove and used my spot cleaning method. I dislodge all the burnt materials, and then followed by a few quick swipes with my wok brush, life is good again. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time.